Well, I'm Skip Jeffries back in the kitchen again for some more punishment. On tonight's agenda, we're gonna make some steak dinner here. Gonna start off with a baked potato, get that kind of prepped and ready to go. I've got my steak sitting out on the countertop. For an added kicker, I found a recipe for Cowboy Butter. I've always wanted to try it, so we're gonna give it a go ahead. It starts off with a cup of butter, 2 cloves of garlic. We'll also add our half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, Engelhofer creamy style horseradish, and it calls out for, I believe it's 1 tablespoon of that. Cayenne, it's just calling out for a pinch of cayenne. We'll get this other shallot kind of diced up and going. Parsley, it's calling out for 2 tablespoons. Thyme, I got the members mark 1. 2 teaspoons of that. Chives, 1 tablespoon. Quickly whisk it. I think it's about ready. Spicy chili crisp, we're gonna give that a try. A teaspoon of that, just to add some sweet heat to it. We're in the south, so that should kind of give it a golden color too. Going for a medium rare. So we'll give her a cut in half, see how we did. Not bad. That's a little more on the medium side than rare. It actually looks pretty good. My biggest concern is I want to know what that cowboy butter tastes like. So I'm just going to cut me off a little strip and we'll mix this up and give her a go. And hopefully it's as good as everybody brags up it to be. But we'll go ahead and give her a taste test here. Not bad. Pretty good.